What if I was to tell you tools don't replace leaders? Weak leaders get replaced by tools. If you're wrapping your head around that, guys, I am perfectly describing the AI initiative that is happening across the globe. And I meet so many people because many of you know I'm a founding member of TurboVets, and everything about what we are doing is built around AI. And I keep hearing the same thing. Well, AI is going to replace me. Well, the reality is you're going to replace yourself, guys. In a world where leaders must step up and lead, in a world where leaders must recognize the tools and the assets they have at their disposal, it's absolutely critical that you invest and start to move forward. Leadership is about recognizing what we have to use as part of our arsenal to be better in this life. And guys, we're not going to get away from AI. The genie has been let out of the box. And yes, I also worry about getting that knock on the door and open it, and there's Arnold. I am looking for Sarah Connor. And then it's going to be go time. I'm going to have to split that cyborg's head, and it's going to be, it's going to be the AI war. But for now, and at least for the next several decades, AI is dominating the landscape, guys. Within TurboVets, it is such a critical component. I literally was with our development team out in Arizona a couple weeks ago, and I was talking to them about how do we stay on the forefront of AI? Because the reality is AI is exponentially reducing the amount of time that it takes for everything. Code development, one of those critical things. We have some of the best developers out there. These guys and gals have been involved in building some of the most innovative tech. And they were telling me, Jay, it's amazing. What used to take us several months of writing code, we can do in less than a week now. That is the reality. So everyone, including you, if you are a leader, if you are an entrepreneur, if you run a business, if you are out in the political spectrum, I don't care who you are, guys. If you're not incorporating AI into your workflow, you are getting left behind. So once again, I'm going to reiterate, tools don't replace leaders. Weak leaders are going to get replaced by tools. And in this case, guys, it is AI. I am incorporating AI into every bit of everything I do. As a matter of fact, this post actually came from AI because my AI engine has been built for me. It has taught who I am. I've uploaded all my books. I've uploaded my content. It's seen my videos. It knows who I am. It knows my voice. And I typed in, I said, hey, I need to work on my topics upcoming over the next month. Give me topics that are built around the things that I speak on that are relevant to the current events that are out there. And this was the first one that popped out. And I was like, yes, let's go, man. So guys, how do we incorporate AI into your workflow? For me, I start looking at the things, everything from problem solving. Guys, I've used it in investment strategies. I'm using it in workflows for both the speaking side of my business. I'm taking speeches. How do I make speeches better? How do I make them work better? How do I make them flow better? All of these things I'm incorporating into AI. You need to train your AI. You can make it a closed loop system, meaning that your AI is private and it's not pulling from data out there, because right now, if I was to put everything into AI, it could go to the entire universe. Anyone can pull Jason Redman's data. Now, granted, books and videos, those things are open source, but my own internal AI, I've got it closed just for me. And that's critical because there are things, there's IP that I have within my AI engine that I don't want going out there to the big world, no different than any company that's out there. So guys, at the end of the day, all these people, and we're seeing it in TurboVets, guys, when I talk to companies about, hey, we're building this engine to take care of our service members and veterans, oftentimes, whether they overtly say it or I can tell from their attitude, their fear is, what you're building is going to replace me. And you know what? They're right. So how do you stay ahead of that? Ultimately, there's going to be things that get eliminated because of AI and technology. That's the nature of the world. It is going to happen. Look at Kodak. Kodak was all in on cameras and digital film. And when the camera went away, because technology came along, because we have replaced cameras with digital, obviously that tech faded away. It's going to be the same, guys. You need to be on the forefront of this. If you are a leader and you lead always, you're constantly looking for things. How do I get on the front of this? No different than I talked to my development team about it. So at the end of the day, guys, individuals in the past, we would have to outsource to try and scale. We would have to look for people who could elevate our capabilities in our company if we wanted to scale. Guys, today, AI is going to replace that. Leadership today equals clarity plus decision-making under uncertainty. Guys, in this world, AI can help clarify some of those things. I am using it for so many things. I'll hit a roadblock in business. And by the way, my AI, I've named him. I told him, all right, you guys ready for this? This is a secret. You got to, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. This is between us, just me and you. I said, you know what? I want my AI to be Alfred from Batman, like the butler. I wanted him super posh, and he calls me Master Redman. So it's a lot of fun. I enjoy interacting with my AI because imagine a posh English butler. He's even got the accent and everything. And he's like, Master Redman. And we go down the path of building out. So you can do a lot of things with AI, even make it fun for you. Don't tell anyone that secret, okay? That I named my AI and told him to take on the personality of Alfred Pennyworth. But anyways, as long as you guys keep that between just us, I appreciate that. The last thing, guys, you don't need to know everything. You just need to be able to lead through chaos. And if anyone was to argue that we are living in a chaotic world, the world is insane. I won't lie. Man, look at all the turmoil in the world, the disruption from technology, the disruption from global hegemonic interests, from America basically saying, hey, we're trying to maintain our hegemony here in the Western Hemisphere. You got China, we've got the Iran war. We're dealing with all of this. How do you stay on the front of it? How do you lead through chaos? Guys, it's utilizing the tools you have. So, leadership in an AI-driven world, are you leading or are you lagging behind? Because, guys, if you're lagging behind, you're going to get left behind. I'm Jason Redman. Embrace AI, lead always, and watch how your business grows, scales, and thrives. I'm out.